Crash course on beaches and nature in Cuba. Welcome to a crash course on the captivating beaches and mesmerizing natural landscapes of Cuba. From pristine shores to lush forests, Cuba's natural beauty beckons visitors to explore its stunning environments and discover its unique wildlife. Let's embark on a journey to experience the enchantment of Cuba's beaches and nature. Cuba is renowned for its picturesque beaches, where turquoise waters meet powdery white sands. Varadero Beach, located on the Hicacos Peninsula, is one of the most popular beach destinations in Cuba. Its crystal-clear waters and endless stretches of coastline provide an idyllic setting for relaxation and water sports. Another breathtaking beach is Playa Paraíso on Cayo Largo del Sur, an island located off the south coast of Cuba. Its pristine sands and tranquil atmosphere make it a true paradise for beach lovers. Beyond the beaches, Cuba is blessed with diverse ecosystems and lush forests. The Viñales Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is known for its dramatic limestone landscapes and vibrant tobacco fields. Exploring this valley allows you to immerse yourself in the beauty of Cuba's countryside. Ciénaga de Zapata, Cuba's largest wetland, is a haven for nature enthusiasts. This biosphere reserve is home to a rich variety of flora and fauna, including endemic bird species, crocodiles, and colorful fish. It offers opportunities for birdwatching, hiking, and exploring the unique ecosystem. Top 12 attractions of beaches and nature in Cuba. 1. Varadero Beach. 2. Cayo Coco. 3. Playa Paraíso. 4. Cayo Santa Maria. 5. Hicacos Peninsula. 6. National Park. 7. Cienfuegos Botanical Garden. 8. Viñales Valley. 9. Ciénaga de Zapata National Park. 10. El Nicho Waterfalls. 11. Sierra Maestra. 12. Jardins del Rey. In summary, Cuba's beaches and natural wonders offer a sanctuary of serenity and breathtaking landscapes. Whether you seek the tranquility of pristine shores or the adventure of exploring lush forests, Cuba's natural beauty will leave you in awe. Embrace the splendor of its beaches, immerse yourself in its vibrant ecosystems, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. And now, let's celebrate the beauty of Cuba's beaches and nature with a poem. On Cuba's shores, where waters glisten, bathed in sunshine, nature's prism, Veradero's embrace, a paradise untamed, where dreams take flight, where memories are framed. Cayo, Coco and Santa Maria, untouched alone. Beaches of serenity, where the soul finds its cure. Playa Paraíso, a haven of bliss, where the sands whisper, in gentle kiss. Guanajuato vibes and topes de Colons. Nature's canvas, where harmony enchants. Ciénaga de Zapata, a wetland of dreams. Teeming with life, nature's grand scheme. Viñales Valley, where tobacco field stands. A tapestry of green, a farmer's romance. El Nicas waterfalls, cascades of delight. Nature's symphony, a breathtaking sight. Sierra Maestra, majestic and grand. A mountain range, where adventures expand. Jardines del Rey, where dreams take flight. In Cuba's embrace, nature's pure delight. In Cuba's beaches and nature's embrace. Tapestry of beauty, a tranquil space. Let us explore, let us be in awe. In Cuba's allure, nature's finest draw. Asterisk, 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 start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?AD=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.